In January 2023, Tech Innovators Incorporated, a fast-growing healthcare technology company, launched an ambitious initiative known as Data Center Next. The goal was to relocate their aging, overloaded data center to a modern, secure facility that could support their expanding operations. The executive team approved a $15 million budget and set a 24-month timeline. The program kickoff was launched, and the team jubilantly celebrated this grand corporate milestone.
A few moments later. Several questionable decisions later.
So what happened? Where was the PMO when Tech Innovators needed them? The answer: Tech Innovators did not have a PMO. No PMO systems. No PMO-led program or project management infrastructure. No PMO guardrails, strategic oversight or governance, and a $15 million IT investment. The perfect recipe for disaster. An ITPMO is the organizational body that governs the execution of technical projects, products, portfolios, and programs. A PMO establishes delivery standards, governance frameworks, performance oversight, and many more value-add functions. It aligns strategy with execution, ensures disciplined planning, quality, financial, risk management, etc. Without a PMO, even well-funded initiatives drift into chaos. The Tech Innovators is the case study showcased on Season 2 of the Purple Squirrel Chronicles podcast, the Tech Innovators Case Study lecture series. The Purple Squirrel Chronicles podcast elevates the conversation around PMO governance, methodology, best practices, delivery, performance strategies, and all things ITPMO by highlighting the musings of senior leadership Purple Squirrel professionals and sharing deep-dive real-world analysis of PMO-related case studies. Want to learn more? Stop by the Purple Squirrel Chronicles podcast, where current and future program, portfolio, product, and project managers glean from our headlining deep dives. The Purple Squirrel Chronicles is sponsored by Q&D Technology. Check out our website for more information. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let's talk PMO, program, and project management during an episode of the Purple Squirrel Chronicles podcast.